step into the Buick 2021 Enclave Avenir. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1 SP, 3.49 axle ratio, wheels, 20 aluminum with premium pearl nickel finish, wheel locks, 7 passenger seating, perforated leather appointed seat trim, Avenir technology package, radio, Buick infotainment sys AM/FM stereo with nav and floorliner package, LPO. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.